welcome to all my friends. Today I'm here to teach you the polynomials second part. So let's see. Second part of polynomials. Today we're gonna study the division method, or how we can divide a polynomial. Okay. So here I took an example of x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 divided by x square minus 2. So before dividing it, what we need to do is we need to check what all values are there. So first thing, they are having a x cube. Okay. Second thing, what they are having is a minus 3x square. 3x square also they have, then one x they have, then one normal constant they have. Okay, so now what we need is, now here what is missing is 0x, x is missing. Yeah, right. So here what is missing? X is missing over here. So how we cannot simply add a variable over there? So if we need to add a variable, if they should not change the sum, means it should be the 0. But we cannot simply add a variable. What if the x value is equal to 5 or something? If we add x over here, it will change our thing. So what we need to do is, what into the variable will get 0? Yes, 0 into the variable will get it as 0. So we'll keep it as, we'll change this thing as x square minus 0x, which is nothing but 0, minus 2. Now we got a 3 things are there. Now we will divide it. Divided by x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. Okay, now we have here. So now what we should do is, before getting to the last, first we should go with the first one. So x square, x cube is there, but we have an x square over here. So to make this what into what, x square gives you x cube. So x square into dash gives you x cube. Okay, so x square into x, how much? X cube, right? So now we got this. Now what we need to do, we should not give anything to the others. First we should go from the one by one only we should go. So we should take the first one. If we can be doing means we should do. So x. So x square, x into x square gives you x cube, minus into 0x gives you 0x square, and x into minus 2 will give you minus 2x. Okay, now it became this much. Now what we need to do, we should change these symbols because we are eliminating them. So here this will become plus, will become minus, this minus will become plus, and this will also go. So we will cancel these both. Now what will happen, this 3x, minus 3x plus 0x square, what will get? Minus 3x itself. So at the bottom what will get? Minus 3x square plus 7x minus 3. Now we got it. Now what we need to do? Now we should check the first one. Minus 3x square. So what into x square gives you minus 3x? Yes, minus 3. So minus 3 into x square gives you nothing but minus 3x square, right? Minus 3x square minus plus, okay, so minus into minus plus 0x plus 2, okay, plus 2, no, plus 6 will happen. So plus 6 will get over here. Okay, now what we need to do, we should just cut, but before cancelling what we need to do, we should change their symbols. So this minus will become plus, this plus will become minus, and the plus will become minus over here. So we can cancel these both. Now 7x minus 0x, nothing but 7x. So 7x, and minus 3 minus 6 will get it as plus only, no? So it will become minus 9. Yeah, right? Minus 9 we got. So this is only our answer. Further we cannot move because over here it is x square. We cannot what into what gives you 7x. If we into 7 means we'll get it as 7x square. We cannot make it 7x, right? So what we need to, we'll just leave it over here because this is the end. Because we cannot move it further. Now let's solve another question under this topic. So here we have x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and we should divide it by x square minus 1 minus x. Yeah, right. Now what we need to do, something is wrong over here. What is wrong? If you ask the positions of this. So this x should be, it should be x square minus or plus x, then 1, right? So what we need to do, we should turn over here. So what happens? It becomes x square minus x but plus 1. So now we got the thing. Now what we need to do? We need to divide it by x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Even here one thing is missing. X raised 4 but there's no x raised to 3. So what happens? It comes in between, means when we are multiplying it, there will be a 0 into x square into x raised to 3, right? So what we need to do? We will just leave it like that, but I will tell you what we should do, okay? So x into what? X square into what? We'll get it as x raised to 4. It's nothing but x square, right? X square into x square gives you x raised to 4. So it becomes x raised to 4. X square minus x, it gives you minus x cube, right? Minus x cube, but we cannot divide it. So we'll just draw a line and keep over here. Okay? So x square into 1. X square plus 1 gives you 1x square, right? 1 plus x square. So nothing else. So we can cancel them by changing the symbols. This will become plus. So plus x square cube and minus 4x square and plus 4x plus 5. Here we cannot cancel these both. Why, if you ask? Because this is x square and this is nothing. This is just x. So what we need to do now? We need to divide this thing. So x cube. So it should be plus x, right? X into x square gives you x cube. So you will get it as x cube. Then x into minus x gives you minus 1 and 1x square. Then x into plus 1 gives you x for 1x. And then we'll divide it. So we need to change these symbols to cancel. So we'll cancel these both. Now we should make the symbol minus plus, then this plus to minus. So now what happens? It becomes minus 3x. Yeah, right? So it becomes 3x minus 3x square. Then it becomes here also plus 3x plus 5. Okay? Now what we need to do? We need to cancel these both. Now it should divide this. So here it becomes minus 3 into x square gives you minus 3x square. So it becomes minus 3x square. Minus 3 into plus x gives you plus nothing but it becomes plus 3, right? Plus 3x, and this minus 3 into plus 1 gives you nothing but minus 3. Yeah, right? So minus 3. Now what we need to do? We should change their symbols. So this will become plus, this will become minus, and this will become plus. So we should cancel these both, and they also matches, right? So their symbol also is different, so we can cancel these both too. Now 5 plus 5 plus 3 gives you plus 8. So our remainder is 8. We cannot move further because the starting over here is x square. So this is now, let's solve another question under this. Come to the end of our chapter. So as usual, after end of chapter we will use a word problem, or the question will be little hard. So let's do that one. So here I have x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus 5 by g of x. Quotient and remainder are x minus 2 and 7. Find g of x. Last question what we did, we need to find the quotient and the remainder. But here they gave us the quotient and the remainder, but we need to find the g of x. So how to find the g of x? G of x is nothing but, okay? So g of x, okay? Okay, so what we need to do is this thing, okay? G of x into the quotient, plus the remainder gives you the divisor. Yeah, right? That is the truth, right? So what we need to do, we should just execute and we should change the value from here to there. Then we should solve it. Then we'll get the g of x. So let's do it. So g of x, okay, into x minus 2 plus 7, it will be equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus 5. So what happened? This plus 7 will go that side to become minus 7. So g of x into x minus 2 it will be equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus 5 minus 7 gives you minus 2. So minus 2 divided by, so g of x will be equal to this x minus 2 is multiplied, it getting multiplied. So when you transfer from this side to that side, it becomes divide. So it will get divided. So it should be x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. Okay, now what we need to do to find g of x, we need to divide it. So let's divide it. Okay, so x minus 2, so I'll just rub this part. So x minus 2 divided by x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. Okay, now what we need to do, we should solve the first one. So do it, what we should do, we should be x into what gives you x cube, it's nothing but x square. So it is x square. Okay, x square into x gives you x cube. So x cube minus 0x square plus 2x, yeah, right, 2x. So it becomes like this. Now what we need to do is nothing but, no, we should not, we won't get 2x, right? Because it is x square into minus 2 gives you nothing but minus 2x square itself. So we don't need to do anything. So minus 2x square itself it gives us. So now what we need to do, we need to solve it. So for solving it, what we need to do, the symbol should be different. So we'll make it. The plus will become minus, this minus will become plus. So we'll cancel these both. So minus 3x square plus 2x square gives you nothing but minus 1x square. Am I right? Plus 3x minus 2. Now what we should do? We need to divide this. Now it will become minus x. Yeah, right? Minus x, because minus x into x gives you minus 1x square. So minus 1x square plus or minus. Yeah, it becomes plus. Why? Because minus into minus gives you plus. Plus 2x minus, just like this, okay? You don't have any value, so it will be like that itself. So now what happens is, we need to cancel these both. So we need to turn this plus into minus, I mean the minus into plus, and plus into minus. So we can cancel these. So we'll get minus or plus 1x. Why, if you ask? Because the greater number is 3 and its value, its power or the symbol is plus. So it becomes plus 1x minus 2. Now what it should be? It should be plus 1x gives you nothing but plus 1x, and 1 into minus 2 gives you minus 2. Now we should cancel these both. Now what happens is, we get the remainder as 0. So how we got the remainder as 0? Because the quotients and the remainder are real. That means it get divided and the quotients and remainder they gave us, so it should be perfect. So what will be our g of x? It's nothing but the quotient. So the quotient is nothing but x square. So g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. So now we got the g of x. So this is our end of our chapter. So thanks for watching. Now if you have any doubt under this topic, or if you want me to solve more problems under this topic, you can give in your comment box and I'll read it and I'll separate a day for it and I'll put a video for that also.